how it works. Show me how it works.
So this is the record button, this is to stop recording, and the brand is X-Wing, and to like make it go different places, you press these buttons, and this is like where you see the recording, and they can fly really high.
Okay.
Like, and you can use it for shows, but it's not a real one. You can use it for shows. Like if you want to, be really high or really low.
Mhm.
This is the recorder. Wait, go up so like people can see it. That's the recorder.
Okay, let me see you use it.
Oh, my house is walking real fast.
I see.
Look, go backward. Turn around. Go. Right.
Wait. I lost it.
Stuck on this.
Uh-oh, it's too dark.
It got stuck.
And this is our Christmas tree.
There you go.